The Earth Day celebration consisted of a group of activities involving the community on issues of global importance, and fundraising was the focus of this group activity. The students organized and supervised activities that would involve events prior to Earth Day, which commenced on the 28th of April 2012. The preparation for such events began as soon as the 20th of March. Our group was involved in the creation of simple sock puppets from recyclable materials. The aim of our group project was to teach mainly the younger generation that in fact recycling does often produce useful, exciting materials such as these sock puppets. In order to make these sock puppets we required only a few materials, namely any clean sock pair, a few buttons and other decorative materials, and finally a hot glue gun. The main challenge with this project came when deciding on who would obtain these products and from where. The loose buttons especially were a difficult but successful find. Each team member equally shared the responsibility of bringing in a certain material, and it was the great teamwork and communication which resulted in the success of our project during this event. Another challenge, however, came when dealing with the hot glue gun, especially when aiding the youngsters with the use of the hot glue gun, as neither team member was aware of the safety precautions and handling of the hot glue gun. It was often a hassle gluing together simple decorative parts. Eventually, however, with the aid of our supervisor, Miss Ann Carroll, we were properly instructed on the handling use of the hot glue gun. By the end of the day, children participating in our stall had used up all of the socks to make about 60 sock puppets from recyclable materials. The children were indeed taught a vital lesson, and so were we. The issues of discussion to take away from such an activity would be how recyclable materials can indeed prove to be advantageous and useful, and how we should always seek to make use of our environmental waste in order to tackle major problems such as pollution and global warming, which are very abundant in our world. By the end of the day, our group members all looked forward to another annual Earth Day celebration, and thought of how next time we could perhaps think of more creative or complex ideas to put into production. Thank you for watching this video.